Lakhimpur turns into a war zone. 3 days on, no arrest in violence case. Murder charge, but minister's son roams free. Violence proof on camera. Why no action then? Where's the firm hand against murderers?
Warm welcome, you're watching To The Point. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. Well, the political heat in Lakhimpur is only but rising, but let's keep all of that aside for once and focus on that one question, because where 8 people have died, there have been FIRs against 16 people. FIRs amounting to murder under Section 302, which is also on the son of the sitting MOS home, Ashish. Why hasn't there been any arrest? Take a look.
These scathing videos tell the tale of brutality, barbarism and bloodshed that was witnessed in Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur on Sunday. India Today has accessed the FIR in the case that names Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra. He has been booked under various sections of the IPC. The most stringent being Section 302, that deals with murder. The FIR says the car seen mowing down protesters was speeding and allegedly belonged to the minister's son. The FIR also states that Ashish Mishra, alias Monu, allegedly fired shots that killed a farmer named Gurvinder on the spot. But the post-mortem of Gurvinder doesn't mention any bullet injury. Gurvinder's family alleges a cover-up in the post-mortem.
ਸਾਡੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੈ ਸਟੈਨੀ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੇ ਮੋਨੂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਾਰੀ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਉਹਦਾ ਇਨਸਾਫ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ
Since the beginning, Ashish Mishra has denied any wrongdoing.
बताया जा रहा है कि आप स्पॉट पर थे जब यूँ?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं स्पॉट पर नहीं था, बल्कि मैं आपको इसीलिए मैं एक वीडियो लेकर के बैठा हूँ। मैं सुबह 9 बजे से लेकर के, बल्कि एक दिन पहले यानी 2 तारीख से लेकर के दंगल का आयोजन हमारे यहाँ होता है, उसी कार्यक्रम में मैं था। ये मेरा वीडियो है, ये अखाड़े का है, इसमें कुश्ती लड़ रहे हैं किसान पहलवान।
Ashish also rejects the charge against his father of making an inciting statement.
इसका तो युग ऐसा है कि आप चाहेंगे तो सबके जिन लोगों ने फोटो लिया होगा, वीडियो होगा, सबको सामने आ जाएगा। उन्होंने कोई ऐसा बयान नहीं दिया था। कुल मिला के हम आपसे इतना कहना चाहते हैं कि वहाँ पर जो कार्यक्रम हुआ था, वो सांसद जी को जो कार्यक्रम में जहाँ पर आपने बताया है बयान, उसमें किसान गोष्ठी का ही आयोजन था। किसानों ने ही उनको आमंत्रित किया था। प्रश्न ही नहीं उठता है। मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ इस वीडियो को। मुझको आप स्वयं देख लीजिए, मैं किस प्रकार का व्यक्ति आपको लग रहा हूँ, आपराधिक छवि का लग रहा हूँ कि कैसा लग रहा हूँ।
ऐसे 10-15 लोग यहाँ पर शोर मचाते तो यहाँ पूरे देश में फैल जाना चाहिए था आंदोलन। अगर कृषि कानून खराब होता क्यों नहीं फैला? 10-11 महीने हो गए। मैं ऐसे लोगों को कहना चाहता हूँ कि सुधर जाओ, नहीं तो सामना करो आके, हम आपको सुधार देंगे। 2 मिनट लगेगा केवल। और जिस दिन मैंने उस चुनौती को स्वीकार करके काम कर लिया, उस दिन पलिया नहीं, लखीमपुर तक छोड़ना पड़ जाएगा, ये याद रखें।
Union Minister Ajay Mishra also holds his ground. He has vowed to resign from his post if his son is found guilty.
उपस्थित उसी गाड़ी में
बिल्कुल नहीं थे, उसके सारे सबूत हमारे पास हैं। वो हमारे बेटे कार्यक्रम स्थल पे थे, जो घटना स्थल से 3 से 4 किलोमीटर दूर है। और एक भी वीडियो अगर आप दिखा दें तो मैं मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दूंगा।
At a time when claims and counterclaims fly thick and fast, what has raised eyebrows is the reluctance of the Uttar Pradesh police to arrest and question the accused despite booking them for murder. With Samar Srivastav and Mosmi Singh in Lakhimpur, Bureau Report, India Today.
All right, so many FIRs have been registered, one of them which is 302, which is alleged murder. And the one charged, Ashish Mishra, who roams free. 3 days on, why hasn't there, forget about, been any arrest, no questioning, no summon? I want to cut across right now to our guests. I have Brijesh Bhati, farm leader. I have Anila Singh, Bharatiya Janata Party spokesperson. In a short while from now, we'll be joined by Radhika Khera, Congress spokesperson. Ms. Singh, I'd like to begin with you. 3 days on, there's no summon, there's no questioning. How is it that arrests of, say, political leaderships are being made? And forget about even that. Why is it that the Uttar Pradesh police hasn't even summoned those charged of murder? Ms. Singh, can you hear me?
Can you repeat your question, please?
Yes. My question, Anila Singh, is how is it that 3 days on that the Uttar Pradesh police, which usually is, quite prompt, hasn't even called for questioning those accused of murder, which includes the son of a sitting MOS home?
It doesn't mean speaking that they are not on their job. They might be collecting other evidences as well. This has become high-profile case now. So they are not sitting idle. We must trust the police administration there. And now the whole thing is under judicial inquiry as well. So nobody will be spared. But at the same time, if opposition thinks that according to their instructions, police agencies are going to work, then it is not possible.
Anila Singh, let's leave away the opposition, because the constant refrain is the opposition is trying to instigate things. Let's leave that away. Let's just talk about on what the kin of the family is saying. The kin of the family is saying arrest those who we feel and against whom there is an FIR of murder, who we feel murdered our son. Now, on that account, I want to ask you, how come no questioning as well? How is that even possible? In which case, under section 302, do 4 days go and somebody's not even been questioned? There is an FIR.
See, 9 people lost their lives. Okay, 9 people. So a single person, if we talk about Ashish Mishra, so like one person didn't kill 9 people there. So there were other people also involved. So let the police agency do its job. If the name is there in the FIR, then definitely the initial inquiry will be done. The primary inquiry will be done. And after then only, arrest can be made, whether it is about Ashish Mishra or whether it is about somebody else. But they are targeting one particular person because he is the son of the minister. If that influencer worked, then I think even police wouldn't have taken any action.
Mrs. I want to correct you. I want to correct you. Not 9, 8 people are dead. Not 9.
9.
Madam, will you count them for me? How many? 4 farmers, 1 driver, 1 media personnel, 2 BJP cadre. Tell me who's the 9th.
To the best of my knowledge, it is 9. But if you're insisting, I'll cross-check it.
No, I'm not insisting, ma'am. At least that's what on record is. 4 farmers, 1 driver, two BJP cadre, 1 journalist.
9 people have died, and unfortunately, the names of only 4 are being taken. Rest others are denied. Why?
I just counted for you. Who's taking the name of only 4? I just counted for you 4 farmers, 2 BJP cadre, 1 driver, 1 journalist dead. These are the 8 on official record who are dead as we speak.
Preeti, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the opposition parties, political parties.
But ma'am, we are not talking about. That's why I want to begin. I wanted to begin this conversation with taking away the politics of it all. Let's talk about what the kin of the family want. They want an arrest.
Political.
They want. I'm talking about the kin of the family, of the family members of those who are dead. They want an arrest.
Definitely, they are grieving. They have lost somebody from their family. They want quick action. Any person or any family will accept that. But then the agencies do their work according to the regulations and legality. So let the police agencies do the work. Police is not shying away from it.
But missing till now, as per legality and due procedure, would demand that 302 is a heinous charge to be booked under. There would be questioning, and usually what we have seen with protocol is an immediate, an immediate arrest, and then a probe is being conducted. Having said that, I want to bring in Brijesh Bhati, farm leader as well. Bhati साहब, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछती हूँ कि जो आपके नेता हैं, जैसे टिकैत साहब, उन्होंने जाकर तो बोल दिया सुलह कर ली, उन्होंने बोल दिया ठीक है। अगर आप लोग नहीं बोलते ठीक है, आप लोग बोलते अरेस्ट करिए पहले तभी सुलह करेंगे, आप तो सुलह करके आ गए। अब वहां पर जो फैमिली मेंबर हैं वो तो कह रहे हैं कि भाई अरेस्ट करिए, आप तो कह रहे हैं सब ठीक है।
देखिए जी, मैं आपको बता दूं, इस घटना के बाद टिकैत साहब और मैं ही वहां पर समय पहले पहुंचे थे, और हमने जो समझौता किया है वो समझौता इस बात का नहीं किया कि पैसों से कोई समझौता हो जाता है। हमारी मांग ये है कि 8 दिन के अंदर ये जो 302 का अपराधी है, ये टॉनी का जो लटैनी का है, और चाहिए हमारी लड़ाई जारी है जब तक इनकी गिरफ्तारी, जब तो अपराधी जेल में नहीं हो, केंद्रीय नहीं देंगे जब।
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है भाटी साहब, आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है, पर सामूहिक तरह पे यही देखा जा रहा था कि वहां पर जो एडीजीपी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हैं उनके साथ टिकैत साहब बैठे, उन्होंने बोला सब सुलह हो गई है, सब ठीक हो गया है, 10 दिन में प्रोब होगी और कॉम्पनसेशन ये है। अगर आप लोग डट जाते तो आज थोड़ा सा अलग होता ना, पर मेरे साथ बने रहिए। आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, आवाज चेक करा लीजिए।
कंपनसेशन की बात ये है, मेरी आवाज आ रही है
जी, बोलिए।
कंपनसेशन की बात ये है, उसमें ये तय हुआ था कि 8 दिन के अंदर इन पर मुकदमा उन पर दर्ज हो गया है और उनकी गिरफ्तारी होकर जेल में होंगे। इसमें यह तय नहीं हुआ कि पैसे लेके बात खत्म हो गई, ये नौकरी मिलकर होगी।
तो आपने 8 दिन दिए हैं, आज तो फिर सिर्फ 3 ही हुए ना, 8 दिन दिए अरेस्ट के।
8 दिन दिए हैं, अभी 5 दिन में और पुलिस कार्रवाई कर रही है, और मैं खुद स्वयं वहां पर गया हूं, मैंने सारे वहां पर जो प्रकरण अपनी आंखों से देखा है। वहां पर किस तरह से लोगों की बातें हैं मैंने सुनी है, किस तरह से लोगों पर गाड़ी चढ़ाई गई है। और जबकि मैं आपको अवगत करा दूं, प्रदर्शन कर्मियों का रूट अलग था और जो एक बीजेपी के नेता थे उनका रूट अलग था। बीजेपी के नेताओं ने घर जाते हुए किसानों पर पीछे से गाड़ी चढ़ाई है, एक क्रूरता की है। और ये जो पत्रकार है रमन कश्यप,
तो 8 दिन क्यों दिए गए?
8 दिन इसलिए दिए गए हैं क्योंकि सरकार ने कहा था कि हम इन पर कार्रवाई करेंगे और जल्द से जल्द मांग करेंगे।
तो फिर 8 दिन है ना, फिर अभी क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि गलत किया? 8 दिन फिर इंतजार करिए।
नहीं, इंतजार मुझे बता दीजिए, इंतजार तो कर ही रहे हैं, जब ही तो अपने लोग मरा लिए, 10 महीने से इंतजार तो कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
चलिए ठीक है,
की सादत करा ली, जब ही।
Radhika Khera also joins us from the Congress party. Radhika Khera, Anila Singh is saying this is all due process. It takes time, especially in times like this where a case is as sensitive. There's a judicial probe and due diligence will be followed.
You know, for the past 7 months, they've just been taking time and they've not been doing anything about it. Our Kisan, our Annadata have been on the streets, on the road, fighting Corona, battling the cold, the rain, the heat. And all these people have been up to is mischief again and again. And now today the Sarkar has killed them with the car. So it is not just the car, it is the Sarkar who is at fault over here. And what we've seen today unfold are really a series of unfortunate events. You don't allow the opposition leaders to go and meet the families of those who have died. Why? And the Pradhan Mantri, he's sitting there in Uttar Pradesh and Lucknow on stage and manawing Azadi ka Mahotsav. Is this the Azadi? Is this the Azadi that our leaders, our Purvaj have fought for? That they will come and just car se launch ke chale jayenge Azadi ko? There is no remorse. There is not even one word that the Prime Minister has said or spoken, even for his own karyakartas who have lost their lives in the Lakhimpur incident. He has not spoken for anyone, but yes, he has time to tweet about actors. Why? Does he not care about his own people? Leave the farmers, at least care for your own people. What is stopping them? And why did we have to see this drama unfold at the Lucknow airport? Why did they have to detain Priyanka Gandhi ji and then allow certain people from TMC to go over there? What is all this drama? What is stopping them from taking back the 3 farm laws? Are they going to kill more people? What more do they want? It is clear that the people, the farmers do not want these 3 farm laws and they are draconian farm laws. Okay. The government has to come forward. What do they keep saying? Ki hum baat karenge. What talks are they doing?
All right, Anila Singh, I want to draw your attention back to why there have been no arrests till now. You said due diligence has been followed. Number one, 3 days on, nobody has been summoned, nobody has been questioned. Have records of where Ashish Mishra was, phone records been traced as to where the location of his phone was? Till now, there is absolutely no public record of even that. Number 3, I want to ask you, Anila Singh, when we talk about that, the police is doing due diligence, what is it based on? I'm going to just play across the shots. You have the MOS home himself, who is going through his constituency, showing the thumbs down to farmers of Lakhimpur who are protesting. A week ago, that same man is pretty much saying that if you don't behave, I know how to make you behave. In 24 hours, I can sort you out. Is this the language befitting the MOS home?
See, I'm not going to advocate anything what Mr. Mishra has said. He himself can explain why did he say or why did he give that speech which you're talking about, or why did he show thumbs down. I'm not going to give any explanation on his behalf. And secondly, I was listening to Radhika ji, and she was saying that why Prime Minister did not visit Lakhimpur Kheri, why he didn't discuss anything about them, why Chief Minister is mum, why he is not talking. Any sensible person knows very well that in public you cannot discuss about a case which is under judicial probe. Any sensible, any person who has a little bit of common sense knows that.
Anila Singh, when in West Bengal your cadres die, everything is under judicial probe. From top to bottom, all the BJP leaders tweet about their cadre dying.
Then it is the prerogative of that government. Whether they want to say something, they want to do something.
No, that's your leaders do it. Madam, so 1 second. When in the north of West Bengal, when that entire incident happened, where BJP cadre also died, everyone tweeted about it. The probe was under judicial probe. There was a judicial probe order.
Preeti, we have lost more than 400 of our workers, BJP and RSS workers. More than 400 plus.
No, ma'am, you're saying that if in a case where judicial probe is going on, we never comment. I'm just saying you do comment. It's not that you don't comment.
I know, media is very aggressive on us. This is the day for
Madam, the media's job is to be aggressive on everyone. Ma'am, the media's job is to be aggressive on everyone.
An opportunity to put my point across. I mean, I start and interject. This is very unfair.
Ma'am, you made your point. Please make your point.
I don't like to raise my voice, but definitely I would love to put my point across. Political murders of West Bengal cannot be compared what happened in Lakhimpur Kheri. And secondly, if you're talking about the arrest, as I mentioned, that how can you say that the police agencies are not on board? But if they are collecting more clues, more evidence, and then they are going to ask certain people to come to the police station for the interrogation. I mean, we can't do everything.
Okay.
They're on the channel. I mean, hum judge ban jaye, hum police ban jaye, hum faisla suna de, hum jury ban jaye. It is not possible at all. And let me talk about the Congress. Their failure in Punjab, they are justifying here in Uttar Pradesh. Their failure in Chhattisgarh, they are trying to justify here in Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Baghel is here.
Ma'am, I'm not talking about. Madam, I'm not talking about the Congress here.
But in Buxar,
you're talking about the family members of those who have died. Mr. Bhati, I want to quickly get in a word from Bhati. Bhati ji, तो अब आप 8 दिन और 4 दिन तो हो गए, 4 दिन बचे हैं, इंतजार करेंगे कि अरेस्ट हो, उसके बाद कुछ करेंगे?
इंतजार नहीं, इन अपराधियों पर क्रूरता वाली दंडबख्त जो धाराएं लगी हैं, उन पर जेल जाना चाहिए इनको। ये जो है कैनी महाराज कहते हैं, इसको जो केंद्रीय मंत्री है, इस पर ऐसी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
तो क्या किसान 4 दिन और इंतजार करेंगे? आपने बोला ना कि 8 दिन दिए हैं, तो 4 दिन बचे हैं, 4 दिन और इंतजार होगा अभी।
वहां से आंदोलन शुरू होगा। इनकी जो है, इनके पाप का घड़ा भर चुका है। इनके खट्टर जो है मुख्यमंत्री कहते हैं कि लाठियां ले लो, किसानों को मारो, और 3 दिन पहले अनिला जी बैठी है बड़ी बहन, इनके ही केंद्रीय मंत्री कहते हैं कि मुझे सरकार इजाजत दे, 10 मिनट में छुटक के कुचल दूंगा, और वो कुचल दिया इन लोगों ने। इन्होंने किसानों को कुचला।
All right, that's all the time that I have for. I appreciate all of you for joining us. Ms. Khera, I wish you'd joined us earlier. We had gone to you more. A quick break to stay with us. Up next is Rahul Kanwal.